Well, boys and girls, she's fixed. The Ace mechanics have got me back up and running. Let's drive to the field. To my mechanic geniuses in that building right there, you are the best. Thank you from our farm to your shop for all that you do for us. They had 4 guys inside the machine, 4 guys outside of the machine, tearing this thing apart, putting it back together. My hat is off to you guys, as usual. And I also stocked their beer cooler full of cases of beer. By trade, there are a lot of things that I'm really good at, but when it comes to my combines, I recognize that hiring Brad and the guys makes me more money.